Hey guys, welcome to Art of Testing. In this video, we are going to learn about everything you need to know about regression testing. So let's begin. Firstly, we will start with the definition of regression testing, then see why do we need it, its features, advantages, and finally the difference between regression and retesting. So let us begin. Firstly, let us understand what is regression testing. Regression testing is a type of testing that is done to ensure that a bug fix or code change has not adversely affected the existing working functionalities. So, as we all know, software undergoes changes throughout their life cycle. When a tested software undergoes a minor fix or a fix that does not affect the whole application, then it is not advisable to conduct thorough testing of all the modules of the application. Instead, after a fix in a previously tested and working software, we only run a limited number of test cases. This type of testing is known as regression testing. Let us now see the need of regression testing. There are various reasons why, despite being a lengthy and tiresome method, regression testing is a crucial part of the software testing cycle. The need for it might arise when the code in the system is changed. The modified code might lead to unwanted changes in the software. This makes testing every unit an important process. It is also necessary when any feature is either added or deleted. These modifications affect the other part of the software as well. To ensure smooth working despite changes is what regression testing aims at. Now, let us look at some of the features of regression testing. Regression test cases are usually automated as there is a huge number of regression tests and executing them manually would be very time consuming. The effectiveness of regression testing depends on the test cases chosen, which in turn depends on the area of impact of a release along with the criticality of the component. In regression testing, we would have to deal with reducing the test cases and at the same time maintaining the test coverage. Here are some of the advantages of regression testing. Firstly, it ensures that a fix doesn't adversely affect working functionality. Regression tests can be automated, hence save a lot of time, but only if automated. These tests are particularly helpful in case of performance optimization release, as these releases don't change any business scenario. So, checking the already working functionality suffices the testing needs. It is also helpful in implementing continuous integration setup in which whenever a developer pushes some code, a build gets triggered and after that the regression tests are run automatically to ensure that new change does not affect any existing functionality. With this, we have come to the last slide, that is, difference between regression and retesting. The difference between regression and retesting is one of the most common testing interview questions. So let us find out the difference between the two. While looking at regression testing, it is performed after code changes to ensure previously working features work fine, while retesting is performed to check if the bug fix is valid or not. Regression testing involves executing either all the test cases or the limited set of test cases that cover all the features. Retesting involves executing only the failed tests that are fixed by the developers. Therefore, we can say that regression testing has a lower priority than retesting, since we are just making sure that the test cases that passed previously still get passed. However, retesting can be considered as of higher priority than regression because we need to make sure that the previously failed test got fixed or not after the bug fixes. And with this, we have come to the end of this video on regression testing. For more such testing concepts and interview preparation material, subscribe to Art of Testing and also don't forget to check our website artoftesting.com.